This is a video about how to do your Quizlet study homework. So first thing you need to do is go to Teams, and you will see this message in your class team telling you that you need to click on this link in order to join my Quizlet class. So click on that link, and then it's going to ask you to do whatever it does, which I don't really know because I'm in the teacher view. And so once you have joined my class, then you will have access to all of the Quizlet Plus features, which you will need to do your homework / studying. So once you've done that, you can click on this link. And it's going to take you to a set of flashcards that are your elements of art and design. And you can study your flashcards. You will see that there are 23 of them. So you've got your 7 basic elements, but you also have related terms. And here's everything you need to know for your upcoming quiz. So, one thing I do want you to notice that is on here is I do have on here one about the mnemonic device. Maybe you need that. Maybe you need to know all of your elements. Just saying. All right, so you're going to study your cards for as long as you want and as long as you need to until you think that you can pass a test, or better yet, get 100 on a test, because that's what I'm going to ask you to do. So this is not an actual test. This is just your practice and your homework. So you're going to click on test, and it's going to have you set up your test. You need to have the maximum number of questions, which should match the number of cards in the set. If it doesn't say the maximum number, then you would change it to the maximum number. Answer with definition is usually a good choice. Sometimes though, depending on how I've set things up, it may not work with this. So if things look weird when you try to make your test or your quiz, you could change it up and have it be term or definition or both. True, false, multiple choice, matching. The only one you really don't want to do is written. I think probably multiple choice is the one you're most likely to see on my quizzes. But really all of these or any one of them is good. And then I can start test. All right, so this should give me everything that I asked for. Check it out, make sure that it looks right. If it doesn't, then maybe something went wrong and you need to go back and make sure that the quiz looks right. So you're gonna take your whole quiz, get down to the bottom. Once you've done everything, don't hit submit right away. Go back and check your answers, because to get full credit on your homework, you need to show me that you got a 100%. So once you have checked everything and you think you're going to get 100%, then submit test. It warns me that I skipped questions, but I'm going to submit it anyway. Oh no, I got a 0%, but let's pretend I got a 100%. Then I would use my handy dandy screenshot tool, and I would take a screenshot of my whole screen. And this is important because if you just do part of the screen, it doesn't necessarily tell me that you did the correct set. And it doesn't necessarily give me all the info I need. So I want the whole screen so I get all the information. Then I come over here and I would paste this to this very page after you have copied it into your own student work folder. So these instructions should give you the same instructions that I just gave you. So You can refer to them there as well. And that's it. That's how you do your homework. So now that you have this video, I do expect you to do your homework correctly. So make sure you have all of those questions right so that you can get 100% on your homework as well. Thank you and have a great weekend. One more thing I wanted to add. If you have successfully joined my class, you should be able to take your quiz multiple times. So if on the first try you do not get 100%, try again until you do get 100%, and then you will know that you are definitely prepared for your real quiz, which is the whole point of this homework assignment.